Today we continue the annual tradition of repairing this Ryobi Weedwacker. I'm starting to think it's poorly made. Battery with a good charge, but absolutely nothing happening when we pull the trigger. Last year it ended up being a brush in the motor that shattered. I suspect it's probably the same thing this year. As we can see, we have a brush there, touching the commutator. That's a good sign. Over here, there's no brush there. Yep, our brush shattered again. Interestingly, it's not the one I replaced that shattered. It's the original one on this side, as you can see. Nice clean metal compared to the one I spot welded. So yeah, this one shattered, which means both of the original ones have now shattered. Now I'm no engineer, but I have used a lot of brushed motors, and they don't burn through a brush a year. Usually they wear out. They don't shatter once per year. In my opinion, this is most likely due to a terrible design flaw where this nice little tube that protects it doesn't go down close enough to the actual commutator, so there's too much of the actual brush exposed, so it's too easy to actually break. Conveniently, I still have this kit of motor brushes from when this happened last year, and we'll just pick the size that's closest, and we'll have to shave it down to actually fit. Now that we have our newly shaped brush, we take our old brush here, cut off this cable because we're going to reuse this topper and spring, put the spring on, and then spot weld the topper onto that wire. And here's our custom slightly misshapen brush. Again, the factory one's the one that broke again, so 1 me, factory 0. The truth? Yep. Sure does run just fine. A little bit of noise out of the gearbox, but hey, it's a Ryobi.